All right, guys and girls, we got a rare one here today. One owner, 1969 GS Stage 1 Buick. Bought brand new by this gentleman. He's a one owner car. It's a local car to Fayetteville, Arkansas. These are the trophies that it's won. He bought it to use it as a bracket drag racer. And that's what it did in the beginning of its life. And then there's the GS 400 on it. Look at that. 4-speed car. He ordered it without air because I knew he was going to be drag racing it. It's a beautiful car. Really nice restoration. Is that the original motor?
No, it's a 455.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is a 455?
Yes.
Okay. So you kind of cheated with the 455, didn't you? You still got it though.
Yeah, I had the original engine balanced and blueprinted.
The 400?
Yes. At Racing Head Service.
Oh, really? Where's that motor at now?
I had scrapped it out.
Scrapped it out. Oh well. It's a beautiful car. I'm gonna open this door if you're all right with that. You just don't see many GS Skylarks out here. He ordered this thing just exactly how he wanted it in 1968. It's a 69. And it is a beautiful car. And he drag raced this thing all over the 4-state area. Still solid as solid can be. Wow, what a ride. I got beat by one of these I had a 67 Firebird, 389 tri-power 4-speed car, and a 69 GS 455 Stage 2 just smoked me. And I've been mad ever since that. That was a long time ago. But wow, what a ride. This is a beautiful car. You can tell it definitely won some trophies in this day. Who restored it? Who restored the car?
I did.
You
most
did?
of it, you know. Then different people done. This is right here is done. Inside's done by an upholstery guy out of Johnson, you know. But he likes a little bit finishing.
Okay.
And in some different places. And Mario Andretti did the paint work, and Jason Walker on the engine.
Okay.
And it was tuned by Monroe Hill stuff.
Well, it's a beautiful car, sir.